gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today's unit is from Yolova, and this is their packaging, you all. It says Born for Beauty, and isn't their packaging beautiful? I am absolutely in love. So we'll hop on the package and see what's inside. And as you can see, this is a cute bag to store your wigs in, and it has a company name, Yolova. Included in the packaging is some lashes, a wig cap, and a tweezer. The cap has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, a comb in the middle, and two combs on either side. This is how the hairline is looking, and as you can see here, it is already pre-plucked, guys, but you can go ahead and pluck the hairline to your own liking. I'll go right in and put the wig on so you guys can see how it is looking. This unit is a 13x6 lace front wig, so you have a lot of lace to work with, guys. I'll turn around so you can see the back of the wig. This unit can be styled as a center part or a right side or left side, so you have a lot of parting space to work with, guys. I'll put the unit on the mannequin and use a flat iron and flatten the hair. This is how the hair is looking after I'm finished.
I can't forget. There's no regret. We took things slow, and I learned all of your virtues, but the one that lifted me.
I'll go in and cut the lace in 3 so it is easier to lay.
Wait and see how my arms hold you forever. There's no way you've wasted time with me. I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean.
I'll be using the Got2b gel and the bedded spray to lay the lace.
To be a home for you. all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and
I'll go in with the scissors to remove the lace.
I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time.
I'll go in and tie the lace to make sure it is well melted. This is how my lace is looking, you all.
Vow to be yours, vow to love you for.
This is how the unit would look if you style it in the center, but I'll go for a left side part. I'll go in with a hot comb to flatten the top of the hair.
Gray skies is all I see as I hear your voice.
Now a girl gotta make some baby hairs.
Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch, conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move.
Once again, I'll go in and tie these baby hairs to make sure they're well laid. I am adding some concealer to the parting space.
I did this for me. Don't take it personally.
I am going in with the mousse.
For me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me. But when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay. But it was all a dream. It was all a dream. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we
Now I'm going in with a COURA Care Walk Stick to get rid of the flyaways and give the hair additional sheen.
they say love never dies. Mr. Gray
I am adding my Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
You took something from me. Forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on.
Before I get into the deets about this unit, I just want to say thanks to Yolova for sending me this gorgeous unit. It is worth every penny, you all. This is their 13x6 straight human hair wig. It is 22 inches. The density is 150 to 180. And it came pre-plucked, guys, so you don't have to go in and pluck the hairline and do all of that. But if you want to be extra, guys, you can go in and do that. The unit is big and friendly. It is easy to install, guys. I experienced no shedding or tangling from the units. Guys, you don't have to have no baby, teenager, grandma, or whatever hair you want to have with this unit. The units will look flat. Look at this. I go in and remove my teenager hair and the unit looks much better. So guys, if you're interested in this unit, the link is in the description down below. You can go and check Yolova and use my code COURA and get 15% off, you all. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.
Oh, no, no. First, we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you the